and we make sure that we maintain the system. And we've got a lot of things, wonderful things that we can benefit with the system, other people, that I would like to share with whoever would like to support. You're looking at a garden that is thriving from laundry water twice a week. The soil is clay, loamy. The drainage is weak, and yet these are thriving. That should tell us something. We've got all types of plants here, and I've only composted once. Prepared the soil beforehand with cartons and sub-level irrigation, drip irrigation, which is the patented drip irrigation for this specific type of water. And here are the results. Of course, you are the first to know about it. At Alum Rock, east of San Jose, California, grab yourself a ripe tomato. The beefsteak type. Do you see that? It's hiding. I want you to see this one. And these. This is all just from gray water. Persian cucumbers, slicing cucumbers, pickling cucumbers. I hope I'm not shaking. You know, very excited and very grateful. I'm here clear because I'm in the sun's way. Can't wait to start picking these. Do you see this? The pink flags, they are the location of the drip, the sub-level from where the dripping happens for the laundry water. As it mixes and biodegrades, because as a biologist, this is what we do. We make the unfriendly friendly. So the gray water becomes beneficial. 2 birds in 1 stone. You're living and your garden is living. Did you know that you shake the bulbs like this, the flowers, because it's self-pollinating, and you help it to pollinate itself and create more goodness. From citrus trees, to yellow squash, the cantaloupe. Again, I'm in the sun. Let me just move like this. This is all due to your support. We managed to install that system. Let me show you the system. Stay with me, don't go. The beans. More tomatoes. More peppers. Okra. Dill. Parsley. Lemon thyme. Italian oregano for your pizza. Alright. Trees. Stone trees. The apricot. Just follow up with our previous videos and you'll see what the apricot was apricotting. The apricot was giving out apricots like never before. The apples, same thing. But the gray water and the way we manage it at Green Garden Water makes things thrive, baby. It makes it thrive. Do you want an apple? So thank you, my people. Plum tree. Watch the previous videos. You'll see the plum tree, how much red. Beautiful plums there were, purplish red. All right, let me take care of the privacy because I'm in the backyard of the customers. And I'm just gonna show you what this gray water did and how it was installed right here. And we're going to put more pebbles right here. And this is where the laundry was connected from a garage right in this home. And we just dug here and connected our system. These are our partners. And we connect the system. And we make sure that we maintain the system. And we've got a lot of things, wonderful things that we can benefit with the system. Other people that I would like to share with whoever would like to support the installation of such systems. But this is it, yep. Not only will this system take laundry water, but it takes also your lavatory water, your bathing water, according to California code. These are the allowed types of water that you can take out and utilize, reroute back to your garden. Be it even a balcony, I'm hoping too. Right now I'm working on a project from a 3rd floor balcony, but not necessarily the gray water yet. But it is also part of the branching out with regards to green garden water for the future. So stay tuned and stay connected and stay supported and supporting. We are here to complete the cycle with you and help other creators too. We still need your support, be it your word of mouth or more lending, interest-free. Because interest-free thrives, baby. It thrives. Thanks. Thank you, Kiva. Thank you, Kiva partners. We appreciate you. Thank you. Laters.